How do you use the Datediff function in Tableau? In this example, I have order IDs, order date, and a ship date. I want to know how many days it's been from the order date to the ship date. Let's show you how to do that in Tableau. Datediff is a calculated field, so I'm going to click the drop down here, create calculated field. I'm going to type a Datediff calculation. I'm going to call this difference. The formula is going to be Datediff, open parenthesis. What date part do you want to calculate? So I want to calculate how many days between the start date, which is order date, and the end date, which is ship date. I'm going to close the parenthesis. I'm going to show a couple more examples after this, but this is a simple one. Click apply, and I'm going to grab the difference field, put it in the view. So the difference between the 7th of September and the 13th of September is 6 days. What if I wanted to change this to week? I'm going to change it from day to week. Click apply. There has been 1 week between order date 9/7 and ship date 9/13. One other parameter within Datediff that you want to look at is the start of week. You can adjust how many weeks it's been if your start of the week starts on a Monday or a Sunday or say a Friday. If I change the start of week to Friday, it's going to change to 0 weeks because it has not been a full week from Friday till Thursday for this first order. One other thing you can accomplish with Datediff is testing how many days, weeks, or months it has been since, let's say, today. So let's change this to month. And instead of referencing ship date, let's reference today. So now this calculation is testing how many months has it been between order date and today, today's date. Click apply, and I can see that 9/7/2018 is 49 months away from today's date. And this will be dynamic. So next month, that will show 50, and so on. Hope this helps.